12 News is focused on flood recovery. Faith-based organizations are stepping up to help the community. 12 News' Kate Cornell hung out with members of the Matthew 25 Ministries today and explains how they're lending a helping hand.
Curbside pickup, sandbags, dumpsters, and food are among the necessities when dealing with flood aftermath. But there's one thing that many may not be thinking about.
Laundry.
Matthew 25 Ministries, the Ohio-based organization, made its way over on Sunday to provide a free laundry service to flood victims of Jackson in the Home Depot parking lot on 55 and Frontage. Laura Kearns, one of the response team members, explains how important this is to her and to her coworkers.
It's really nice to be able to do something rather than just watch it on the TV and feel hopeless. So we are honored to be able to come out and do what we can to help as many people as possible.
The team has made the process as easy as it possibly could be, so that laundry is just one less thing to worry about for those still in recovery mode.
We wash, dry, fold it, put it in bags, and they can come pick it up in 24 hours or less.
Matthew 25 Ministries asks that we limit to 2 loads per family.
Up to 200 loads per day.
In addition, they will be delivering provisions like toiletries and even dog food to anyone still in need. In Jackson, Kate Cornell, 12 News.